Let's face it, one of the largest expenses in living RV life is fuel. And while fuel has never been on the cheap side per se, the recent rise in fuel costs has us all tightening our budgets in other areas to help compensate for the higher costs of fuel. Now, we personally have been using some strategies to save on fuel for quite a while before the increases, and there are some great ways that you can save on fuel to help ease that pain at the pump. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 things that you can do to stretch those fuel dollars. Number 1 is to utilize fuel savings programs. Now, Open Roads is a discount fuel program open to anyone who purchases diesel fuel, whether it be a diesel pickup truck, RV, or even a semi-truck. By joining this program, you'll have access to discount diesel prices at specified locations such as Love's, Travel Centers of America, and many more. Current members are saving 30 to 40 cents per gallon off of the pump price, and actually, we just recently saved as high as $1 off of the published pump price. There are no sign-up fees or membership fees to join, and there's no long-term contracts to sign and no hidden fees. Now, one caveat about this particular program, it is not a credit card. The cost of the fuel will be auto-deducted from the bank account that you choose when you set up your account. This is for diesel fuel only, but they do have a gas program coming sometime this year in 2022. You can get started at myopenroads.com. The other convenience of this program is it works at the pumps at most truck stops, which have higher capacity pumps than those at fuel stations in town. The larger truck lanes make getting in and out of fueling areas much easier as well when you have a larger size RV, not to mention that many truck stops have other amenities that are nice to have, such as showers, laundries, restaurants, things like that. Another fuel discount program is the Good Sam membership, where members can save 5 cents off of gas and 8 cents off of diesel at select Flying J and Pilot locations. You can check out goodsam.com/PFJ for a complete list of all of the participating fuel stations. Another place that you can find fuel discount programs are at grocery stores like Kroger's, King Soopers, Safeway. So depending upon the area of the country where you live or you're traveling, you can earn points on those grocery purchases that then can be used for fuel discounts. There's also discount warehouse clubs like Sam's Club and Costco's that most often have lower prices on fuel. Tip number 2 is to use apps to check for the lowest prices. The Gas Buddy app is a great app to use where you can check pricing and fill up at the least expensive fuel stations in a given area. Gas Buddy also does have a free debit card where you can get discounts on fuel. It's not a credit card and you must link it to a bank account. Gas Guru is another app that shows both pricing and amenities at fuel stops as well, which is kind of nice to know when you're on the road traveling in an RV. Tip number 3 is to maintain your truck, your SUV, or your RV if it's a drivable. Now, maintaining proper tire pressure is essential, and the U.S. Department of Energy says that for every 1 PSI missing from a vehicle's set of 4 tires, that you lose 0.1% of your fuel economy. Now, every single PSI loss also means that your tires are going to wear about 10% faster. By properly inflating tires, you can improve your fuel economy, sometimes by up to 3%. Regularly changing engine oil, changing engine air filters, and keeping fuel systems clean and deposit-free can make sure that you're getting every single mile per gallon possible. While drivable RVs are not known for fuel economy, you do want to make sure that you're not creating more drag with underinflated tires or anything else that could affect that fuel economy. Now, here's a bonus tip, not so much for fuel savings, but toll savings. Now, there are many states with toll roads, and the more axles you have, the higher the toll. Check into the area that you're going to be traveling in to find out about toll tag options that are good for several states. Wherever you plan to travel, you may be able to participate in a license plate toll or toll tag program. Often using some sort of toll tag will offer the best pricing for driving on toll roads.